everyone, this is Midnight Mommy. So yung tutorial ko ngayon ay para sa mga students ng Dasmarinas, Cavite, yung mga grade 10, para to sa lesson nila sa circuit sa TLE. Kasi napansin ko, yung anak ko kasi grade 10 siya and sobrang nahihirapan siya dito. So ito kasi is actually physics. So nag-decide ako na i-share sa inyo yung video na to kasi baka sakaling makatulong lalo na dun sa mga students na wala silang mga tutor sa bahay or hindi sila kayang tulungan ng mga magulang nila sa lesson na to. Okay, so start niyo tayo. Read the statements given, guess the words being defined, choices are provided on the table. Okay, so yung meron tayong choices dito, I think this is, okay, 10. So, magko-cross out na lang tayo dito. I-indicate ko na lang dito kung ano yung mga sagot per item. Okay, so start tayo sa number 1. It is a type of electrical current in which the direction of the flow of electrons switches back and forth at regular intervals or cycle. So, ang sagot po rito is alternating current or AC. Sulat ko na lang po AC. So, sa mga students, sulat nyo dyan sa sagot nyo alternating current. Next, number 2, it is an electrical current which flows consistently in one direction. Okay, so ang sagot dito is direct current. So, DC na lang ilalagay ko. Yan. Okay, so again, ito yung alternating current natin ang number 1. Yung direct current natin ang number 2. Na natin sa number 4. It is an arrangement of cells or circuit elements in which groups of 2 or 3 or more in parallel are connected in series. Okay, so ito na yung giveaway word, parallel at saka series. So ang sagot dito is series parallel circuit. So sulat ko na lang dito is SPC. Ayan, ito yung ating number 4. Next, number 5, as the name suggests, these components are attached one after the other in a continuous chain which starts and ends at a power source. Okay, so ang keyword dito is attach one after another. So ito po ay series circuit. So SC lalagay ko. Okay, so ito po si series circuit ng ating number 5. Number 7, it is a circuit without interruption providing a continuous path through which a current can flow. Okay, so continuous path, so I think this one is closed circuit. So sulat ko dito CC. So yung closed circuit natin is yung number 7. Okay, next, it implies that the two terminal points are externally disconnected. So externally disconnected, ibig sabihin meron kang open circuit. So I think this one is number 8. So open, OC. Yan, so itong open circuit natin ang number 8. Okay, next, a faulty accidental connection between 2 points of different potential in an electric circuit by passing the load and establishing a path of low resistance through which an excessive current can flow. Okay, so madali lang po to. This is short circuit. Okay, so sulat ko short. Short C. Kasi baka mapagkamalan kung SC yung ilalagay ko. So, ito yung number 9. Short circuit. Next, number 10, it contains 3 components necessary to have a functioning electric circuit, namely a source of voltage, a conductive path, and a resistor. Okay, so ang sagot po dito is, I think this is simple circuit. Ayan, simple. Okay, so ito yung number 10. Okay, so ang natira na lang natin, okay, itong parallel at saka electric. So tingnan natin kung nasaan siya dito. Ano yung nalampasan natin? Okay, so itong number 3 is a complete route that an electric current can flow around. Okay, so I think ito yung number 3, electric circuit. Ayan, easy. And then yung number 6, the charges flowing in this type of circuit reach the junction or splitting point in the wires and can flow and then flow along each path. Okay, so ito na yung parallel. So ito yung number 6. Yan. Okay, so parallel circuit. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito. So next naman tayo. Okay, so learning task number 1, identify the following appliances and gadgets, whether it utilizes alternating current or direct current. So copy the name of the appliances and gadgets, write AC if the appliance or gadget uses alternating current and DC if it is direct current. Okay, so madali lang po to. Pag sinabi nating alternating current, ibig sabihin yung appliance mo, kailangan mo siyang i-plug sa sa isang outlet. Okay? Pero kapag sinabi nating direct current, ito yung mga appliances or gadgets na kailangan naka-battery siya. Okay? Battery. Battery operated kapag DC, ang alternating current is kailangan nakasaksak siya mismo sa outlet natin. Okay, so dun muna tayo sa oven. Okay? So oven, sinasaksak to sa outlet. So definitely this one is AC. Next, flat iron, syempre dito di baterya, kaya AC. Next, ang refrigerator, sinasaksak din yan, so AC. Blender, AC rin to. Okay? Remote control, okay, so kailangan natin dito ng battery, kaya ito ay DC. Next, laptop, okay, medyo confusing to kasi actually, pwede rin natin to isaksak ng diretso kapag wala na siyang battery, di ba? So, pero generally speaking, meron siyang battery, may battery pack siya, so DC to. Ganun din yung headphones, 'di ba? So, pwede kang maglagay ng battery diyan lalo na kapag wireless siya. So, this one is DC. LED TV, okay, kailangan natin itong isaksak sa source, kaya AC to. Parang doble yung oven. Okay? May mga error dito sa mga module na to. Next, MP3 player, ganun din po. Okay, so kailangan mo siyang i-charge, kaya ito, DC din ito. Kasi mainly sa battery siya gumagana. Ganon din po sa game console. This is also DC. Desktop, okay, hindi ito pwedeng gumana. Okay, so ang desktop pina-plug natin kaya ito ay AC. Ganon din ang electric fan, AC din to. Ang cellphone, okay, so mostly battery pack pa rin siya kaya DC. Ang walkie-talkie, okay, kailangan to may battery kaya DC. Ganon din yung calculator, DC rin to. Wrist-mounted finger piano. Okay. Battery operated din to, kaya DC. Alarm clock, obviously, DC rin yan. So, bakit may kotse dito? Okay. So, sige, kung car, DC rin to, direct current. Okay, kasi kailangan may battery yung car natin. Tablet PC, ganun din po, DC rin yan. And washing machine, this is AC kasi kailangan natin siyang i-plug tayo sa performing task. So, using Ohm's law and electric circuits formula, compute the total current and the total resistance of the following diagrams of circuits. Okay, ganito siya. Ang kailangan natin compute ay total resistance at total current. Kapag sinabi nating series circuit, okay, sa isang series circuit, para ma-compute natin yung total resistance niya, kailangan lang natin i-add yung mga resistors natin. Okay? So, kung ilan man yan. Okay? So, for example, dito, meron kang tatlong resistances. So, para makuha natin yung total resistance sa circuit na to, so add lang natin si R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so meron tayong 6 ohms. Substitute natin plus itong 14 ohms plus 10 ohms. Okay, so ang total resistance natin dito is 30 ohms. Yan, total resistance. Now next, kailangan natin i-compute ano yung total current. Okay, so para ma-compute yung total current, kailangan natin gamitan ng Ohm's law. So pinakamadali na makabisado yung formula ng Ohm's law is remember nyo lang to, VIR. Okay, VIR. Ibig sabihin yan, voltage is equal to current times R, which is the resistance. Okay, so para ma-solve natin ang current, so kailangan natin i-divide ang voltage sa resistance. Okay? Current is equal to V over R. Okay. So ngayon, gawin natin yan. So yung total current natin is equal to, ang total voltage natin para malaman nyo kung ano yung voltage, tingin kayo dito sa symbol na to. Ayan. So yan yung battery source. Okay? So in this case, ayan, meron siyang 60 volts. Yan. So divided by yung resistance natin na 30 ohms. Okay, so ang sagot po dyan is 2. And then ang unit natin is A. Kasi ibig sabihin na A is ampere. Ang ampere ang unit ng current. Okay, so next problem, meron tayong tatlong resistances. So parang katulad din ng ginawa natin kanina, since series siya. Okay, so paano nyo malaman kapag series connection? Kapag magkakasunod lang, ayan, yung mga resistors nyo. Okay, so RT is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so add lang natin. So meron kang 3 kilo ohms plus 10 kilo ohms plus 5 kilo ohms. Okay, so therefore, ang total resistance po natin is 18 kilo. Next, para ma-solve natin ang total current. So again, this is voltage over resistance. Okay, so lagyan na lang natin ng T. Ayan, para ibig sabihin yan total. Okay, so ang voltage natin, again, titingin kayo rito sa symbol na to kasi yan ibig sabihin yan is the source, electrical source. So meron tayo ditong 9 volts. Okay, so 9 volts divided by total resistance natin na 18 kilo ohms. Okay, so naka-kilo ohms po siya. So ito medyo tricky to kasi ang ampere is defined as voltage over ohms. So ito kailangan nating gawin 9 volts yung 18 kilo ohms. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin nito, this is 18,000 ohms. Kasi ang 1 kilo ohm natin is equivalent to 1,000 ohms. Okay? So, lagay natin dito. So, ito ay 18,000 ohms. Yan. Kaya ang total current natin is equal sa 0.0005 amperes. Ayan. So, pwede rin isulat in scientific notation. So, pag scientific notation to, lalo na sa calculator nyo, ang sagot dito is 5.0 times 10 raised to negative 4 amperes. Ayan. Parehas po na tama yung sagot na yan. Isa naka-scientific notation, isa naka-standard. Okay, so next example naman natin, meron tayo ditong parallel connection. So, kapag parallel connection, para makuha natin yung total resistance, ang formula niya is equal sa ganito. 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay, so gawin natin. So, 1 over RT, so substitute lang natin. So, 1 over ang R1 natin is 5. Okay, so lagyan natin siya dito sa baba. Plus 1 over 20 ohms plus 1 over 4 ohms. Okay, so pag ito gumamit kayo ng calculator, okay, ang paggamit nito sa calculator is mas maganda gamitin niyo siya ng parenthesis. So katulad nito, parenthesis and then 1 divided by 5. Then press plus and then open parenthesis ulit 1 divided by 20. Then close parenthesis plus, then open the parenthesis 1 divided by 4. Close parenthesis. Okay, bago nyo i-press yung equal. So, makukuha nyo yung sagot dito is 0.5 ohms. Okay, kaya lang ito yung 1 over RT. Okay, so para makuha nyo yung RT, gagawin nyo lang, okay, 1 divided by kung ano yung sagot nyo dito. So, 0.5. Okay, so ang sagot dito, 2 ohms. Yan. Okay, so kinuha natin ulit yung reciprocal. Kumbaga sa math, ganun yun. Kinukuha natin yung reciprocal. Okay? So next one, kailangan natin isolve ang total current. So ang total current natin again is equal to total voltage divided by RT. Okay, so ito na yung voltage natin, 40 volts. Okay, divided by RT natin is 2 ohms. Kaya ang final answer natin for the total current is 20 amperes. So next one, yung number 4. So ganun din, tatlong resistors din and then nakaparallel siya. Okay, so gawin natin ulit. So 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay, so substitute lang natin. 1 over RT is equal to 1 over 60 plus 1 over 30 plus 1 over 30. Okay, so again, sa calculator, alam niyo na kung paano ito papaganahin. So, 1 divided by 60 plus 1 divided by 30 plus 1 divided by 30. So, again, kailangan make sure nyo na nakalagay yon sa parenthesis. Okay? So, sagot po rito is 0.083. So, para makuha natin yung RT, gagawin natin 1 divided by, okay, change po natin ito. Ilalagay natin siya sa baba ng 1. So, 0.083 ohms. Okay. Makukuha natin sagot dito is 12 ohms. Ayan. So, ang RT natin is equal to 12 ohms. So, next, para masagutan natin yung total current, so yan ay VT over RT. Okay, so, ito po yung total voltage natin. So, meron tayong 90 volts divided by 12 ohms. Kaya yung total current natin is 7.5 amperes. Okay, so dito naman meron tayong series parallel circuit. Okay, so una, ang gagawin muna natin ito para ma-solve nyo, dito muna kayo magsisimula sa pinakadulo. So kung nasan yung pinakamalayo na resistance doon sa ating source. So ito yung source natin. So pinakamalayo sa kanya itong dalawang to. Okay, so based dito sa diagram natin, parehas tong nakaparallel circuit sila. Okay, so kung parallel sila, kukunin natin yung RT. Okay? So gagawin ko rito is susulat ko na lang as 1 over R3, 4. Okay, kasi ibig sabihin nun, ito yung resistance ng 3 at saka 4 kapag pinagsama natin. Okay, so this is now equal to 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. Okay, so substitute lang natin siya. This one is equal to 1 over 20 ohms plus 1 over 50 ohms. So, pag sinolve natin to, ang magiging sagot sa calculator is, dyan is 0.07 ohms. Pero ang R3, 4, ibig sabihin, ito na yung combined na R3 and 4. So, kunin natin yung reciprocal. So, 1 divided by 0.07. So, makukuha ang sagot dyan is 14 ohms. So, ni-round off ko na lang kasi sa calculator, 14.3 ohms siya. Okay, so next one, titingnan natin ano. So, kung ito yung circuit mo kanina, okay, so i-redraw ko lang siya para makita nyo na kung ano yung connection. So, ito na si R1, ito si R2. So, itong dalawang to pinagsama na natin, kaya ito na ngayon si R3, 4. Ayan, ito na si R3, 4. So, kung mapapansin nyo, itong tatlo na to, naka-series connection na siya. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, para makuha natin yung RT, ang gagawin lang natin, i-add lang natin yung tatlo. So, magiging R1 plus R2 plus R3, 4. Okay, so, substitute natin. So, R1 natin is 30 ohms plus R2 natin 50 ohms plus si R3, 4. So, siya ay 14 ohms. Kaya, ang total resistance natin, meron tayong 94 ohms. Yan. Okay? And then finally, para masagot natin yung total current, so yan ay total voltage over total resistance. So substitute ulit natin, meron tayong 10 volts dito. So 10 volts divided by 94 ohms. Makukuha natin sagot dito is 0.11 amperes. Yan. So, ni-round off ko na lang po kasi sa calculator that's 0.107. Okay, so, dito tayo sa last one. Okay, so, wala siyang source dito. Kaya, ibig sabihin, kailangan lang natin i-compute yung total resistance. Dalawa na to is naka-parallel connection siya. Okay, so, i-combine muna natin sila. So, 1 over R2, 3 is equal to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay, so substitute lang natin. So ito is 1 over 18 ohms plus 1 over 18 ohms. So ang 1 over R23 is equal to, ito is 0.11 ohms. So para makuha natin yung R23, this is 1 over 0.11 ohms. So yan is 9 ohms. Okay? So, pag dinrawing natin to dito, so, ito si R1, and then, ito na si R23. Okay. So, naka-series na siya. Kaya, para ma-solve natin yung total resistance, i-add lang natin si R1 plus R23. Okay, so, ang R1 natin is 3 ohms, plus R23 natin is 9 ohms. So, therefore, ang total resistance natin is 12 ohms. Gawin natin itong final task number 1. So, true or false, write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Okay, so number 1, an electric circuit is a closed loop or pathway that allows electric charges to flow. Yes, this is true. A parallel connection is a type of electrical circuit in which there is a single current pathway. Okay, so this is false kasi sa parallel connection, pwedeng more than one. Number 3, a series connection is a type of electric circuit in which there are multiple paths. Single connection lang to, kaya false. When one bulb in a series circuit containing several light bulbs burn out, none of the other light bulbs light up. Okay, so true to. Kapag napundi yung isang light bulb sa isang series circuit, lahat yun hindi nagagana. Next, number 5. Current is measured in volts. False kasi ang current is measured in amperes. Number 6. When an electric circuit takes place, the fuse wire melts and breaks the resistor. The fuse wire, okay, yes, this is true. Next, number 7. If a person touches a live wire, he or she gets a severe electric shock. True. When we turn the switch to off position, the circuit is open. Okay, true. Next, when you remove a bulb from a 3-bulb circuit and the other 2 bulbs go off, then the bulbs must have been connected in parallel. Okay, false. Kasi kapag parallel connection, kahit tanggalin mo yung isang bulb, iilaw pa rin siya. So, since ito, namatay yung ibang bulbs, ibig sabihin, naka-series connection to. Number 10, a device for opening or closing the flow in a circuit is a switch. True. Hopefully, yung mga students, meron kayo natutunan dito sa short video na ginawa ko. So, sana maging malaking tulong ito para sa inyo. So, see you on my next video.